Ruby, come back here towards Mommy and Daddy, please. Come back here. Ruby, he will follow you. You come over here.
Watch out.
Where's the ball? Say up. No, say up. Not ball. Say up. Well, he can say ball, but I'm not going to let him get up for saying ball. In your mouth. Why are you guys dancing?
Bert, no, Bert. Put it down.